What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do winged eyeliner like a pro if you're a beginner. I'm going to be showing you two different methods, one of the methods being free-handed and the second method being a stencil. So if you are interested in today's video, or if you clicked on this video specifically because you were looking for a video on how to do winged eyeliner, this is the video for you. So please make sure you smash that like button so I can hit that YouTube algorithm. And without further ado, let's jump right into this video, guys. Okay, so we're just jumping right into today's video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you two different ways to do your eyeliner. And one of them being free-handed with a brush with no stencil, and the second way being with a stencil. And for that stencil, I'm going to be using the Shadow Shield Originals right here. So I'm not going to take too long in explaining the products that I'm going to be using, and we're just going to get right into it. So I'm going to take my Super Beauty Hydro Liner in the shade Grease, and we're just going to go and start freehanding. We're going to go ahead and start freehanding our right eye right here. So we're just going to get some water on our brush and dip right into this product and get the desired consistency we want. And we're just going to start. Alright. So when I do this, I normally rest my fingers right here on my cheek so I can get a stable line with my hand. So we're just going to start in the corner right here. And we're going to flick outward, just like if we were to draw a line continuing our brow all the way down, like so, like this. We want this line to connect to that point if we were to do that. And you're going to do it in small flicking motions outward. Like so. And now we're going to stop here, and we're going to start by bringing that wing back in now, and we're going to go from here and just try to do one, kind of like so. And you're not going to get the line perfectly like straight and curved like I did like that. So if you want, you can work in small sections backwards. So like I said, start from out here and then make small flicking motions like you did outward like this. You can make small flicking motions inward this way. So now we're just going to go ahead and we're going to fill in this outline, and we're going to define the outer portion of the wing a little bit more to get more of a sharp point so I can cut you with it. And you want to be very light when you do this. Like, you don't want to press very hard. You want to do very, very light motions with this. Just like so. Now let's go ahead and fill in. Like so. And now we're going to go ahead and darken that up a bit by just adding more eyeliner where we have already applied. Boom, just like so. And we have our free-handed wing liner all done. So nextly, we're going to jump right over to this side, and we're going to apply our shadow shield. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it with the shadow shield, which is actually a lot easier than free-handing it since you already have that baseline to go off of. Alright, so we're just going to open the pack up. So we're going to take the shadow shield out the pack, and then imagine it underneath your eye like this. So you really only want to take the outer two pieces of tape off since there's 3. Well, I guess take them all off. You really just take them all off, take all that tape off, and leave this bottom piece on. So you just have this line of tape taken off. And then you're going to carefully angle that underneath your eye exactly in the place in which you want your liner to go. So you can have your liner up more high, lower out. So this is how you angle exactly where your liner is going to be. So ours is going to be kind of like so. Make sure it's on there nice. Then I'm going to go back into the highlighter. We're going to go back into the eyeliner and we're just going to draw that base. So we're just going to follow the eyeliner, or follow the shadow shield. Boom, just like so. And that's a quicker way to get a straight line. Then we're going to go this way. We're going to start on the inside. And curve it like that. So you see how I made a line out, and then I made a line all the way in. Now we're going to take that and we're going to draw this line to match this line to create a triangle. Like so. So you made your triangle and you blend it with the line that you made on your eye like that, and then we're going to fill it right in. Alright, now we're going to remove the shadow shield. And then boom, we have a straight line. And then what I like to do afterward, I like to go in and I like to clean up that outer corner just to make it a little bit more precise. Because every once in a while, not all the time, every once in a while, it doesn't come out perfectly as sharp as I'd like it to be. So I just like to make it a little bit more sharp and fixed. And that's what we're going to do. Boom, like so. Oops. Come on. Alright, like so. Now we have pretty decently even wings, and one has been free-handed, which is this side, and this side has been done with a shadow shield. So you now have seen 2 different ways to do winged eyeliner. And then from here, you're just going to throw some mascara on. Curl your lashes before you throw the mascara on if you're one of those kind of people. And if you're also one of those kind of people, you can throw a pair of lashes on just to make the look a little bit more poof. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and jump off camera real fast, throw some mascara and a pair of lashes on, and be right back to close out our video. Alright guys, I have my lashes thrown on, and that is all for today's makeup look. So if you like today's tutorial and how to, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.